In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel 365. Whether you're tidying up a spreadsheet for a report or preparing a dataset for analysis, handling duplicates is often a critical step. Let's dive right into the process using some of Excel's powerful built-in features. To start, make sure you have your Excel sheet open and ready. Now, the first and most straightforward method to remove duplicates is by using Excel's built-in Remove Duplicates tool. It's a simple and effective way to clean up your data in just a few clicks. To access this tool, you'll need to navigate to the top of your Excel window and click on the Data tab. Once you're there, look for the Data Tools group. This area contains several handy features, but your focus should be on the Remove Duplicates button. Upon clicking Remove Duplicates, you'll see a dialog box pop up. This is where you'll decide which columns Excel should examine for duplicates. If your data has headers, and most spreadsheets do, make sure to check the box that says My Data Has Headers. Why do this? Well, it ensures Excel doesn't inadvertently process your headers as part of the data, which could lead to incorrect results. Now, with the headers sorted, consider which columns should be reviewed for duplicates. If you're dealing with a large data set, it might be useful to check just one column, like an ID or email column. In other cases, you might want to examine multiple columns simultaneously to ensure you're capturing all possible duplicates based on several criteria. After making your selections, go ahead and click OK. Excel will then perform its magic, sifting through your data to remove any identified duplicate rows. And don't worry, it won't leave you guessing about what's been done. Immediately after processing, Excel will display a notification informing you how many duplicate entries were successfully removed and how many unique entries remain in your dataset. This built-in tool offers a quick fix when working with clean and organized data. And if your spreadsheet is set up correctly, using this tool is like pressing an easy button to declutter your numbers instantly. To wrap it up, Excel's Remove Duplicates tool is a fantastic way to streamline your data management tasks. It offers speed and precision, making it an essential feature for anyone dealing with data in Excel. I hope you found today's tutorial straightforward and helpful. With these tips, you should be well prepared to efficiently tidy up your spreadsheets and ensure your data is both accurate and easy to read. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your data.